A Supreme Court vacation bench of Justices Hemant Gupta and V. Ramasubramaniam today ordered that the Delhi High Court order, which had granted bail to the three student activists from the Pinjra Tod group in relation to the Delhi Riots 2020, charged under sections of Unlawful Activities Prohibition Act, would not be treated as a precedent by any party before any courts of India. However, the court has refused to interfere with the bail to these three students at this particular stage. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, arguing for Delhi Police, stated that the Delhi High Court judgment had turned the UAPA Act and the Constitution of India on its head. The primary contention of the Solicitor General was how the Delhi High Court could have gone into the question of the legality of the UAPA Act when it was only on a bail application. Justice Hemant Gupta observed that it was surprising for the bench that a bail order of the Delhi High Court was about 100 pages long, with the judges going into the legality of a particular act. The court has now issued notice to the accused in the particular case. Though Solicitor General Tushar Mehta urged the bench to mention that the bail is not being interfered with at this stage till the pendency of the proceedings, the court has only recorded at this stage and has said that everything does not need to be said in the order. While granting bail to the trio, the bench of Justices Siddharth Mridul and Anup J. Bhambhani stated, "We are constrained to say that it appears that in its anxiety to suppress dissent and in the morbid fear that matters may get out of hand, the state has blurred the line between the constitutionally guaranteed right to protest and terrorist activity. If such blurring gains traction, democracy would be in peril." The Solicitor General, in an attempt to dissect this particular judgment, gave an example of a bomb squad. He said that according to the judgment, if an accused plants a bomb but a bomb defusing squad manages to defuse the bomb, then the accused will not be guilty of planting a bomb. However, Senior Advocate Kapil Sibal, appearing for the accused in this particular case, stated that the matter may not be treated as precedent, but the bail of the three student activists cannot be interfered with. West Bengal government and State Law Minister Maloy Ghotok had separately moved the Supreme Court challenging a June 19 order of the Calcutta High Court, refusing to take their reply affidavits on record in the transfer plea moved by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the Narada scam case. This particular plea was heard today by a vacation bench of Justices Hemant Gupta and V. Ramasubramaniam. The Supreme Court today requested the Calcutta High Court to defer the Monday hearing to Wednesday, since the top court has agreed to hear this particular appeal on Tuesday. Senior Advocate Rakesh Dwivedi, appearing for the respondents, urged the court that the affidavit in question was of importance since it actually busts the entire theory of the officials in the government being present in the CBI court when the accused were granted bail in the Narada scam case. Supreme Court today refused a bunch of FIRs which were registered against television actor Mun Mun Dutta after she made certain alleged casteist remarks on an Instagram video. The actress in question had made a remark which referred to the lower castes as Bhangi. Senior Advocate Puneet Bali in the Supreme Court sought to argue that the term Bhangi only meant someone who is intoxicated or inebriated. However, Justice Hemant Gupta took exception to this reasoning and said that Bhangi means totally something different. However, when Senior Advocate Bali insisted that there was no mens rea in the case and this was a case of multiple FIRs against the television actress, the court has now issued notice in this particular case and stayed the FIRs. After Datta had posted this allegedly controversial video on her Instagram account, a lot of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes groups were up in arms in the social media handles against Datta and had called out for registration of FIRs against the television actor. Well, that's all from Supreme Court today. Do stay tuned with Supreme Court Today on Monday as well. And don't forget to like and share barandbench.com.